Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to post a video on Threads. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So first we are going to open our Threads application in our mobile device. Now here below you can actually see a panel, so what you're going to do is to click on the center button of this panel. So this is our post button. Click on it. Now click on the clip button here and then go to recent, and then afterwards you can see videos. So click on the videos option. After that, choose or select a video that you would want to post. Say for example, I would like to post this video of mine right here. Hit on done and then click on the post button in the lower right hand corner, and basically that's how you can post a video on Threads. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.